What up with it? Q-Han at you with another one. Listening session volume 2. Just going through beats that I made throughout the year. Nice numbered. On the last one, I started from the very top. I played like the first 10 beats. I had some duplicate numbers in there, but it seemed like number 5 is where I kind of got my life together. But anyway, number 6, long ass loop. That's pretty self-descriptive. So let's check it out. Okay. The little drums scooting. They scooting around a little bit. Oh, let me turn that thing up. Hold on. Final part, last loop, and got it looped for 16 bars. That is a long loop. That's the whole song, man. All right, number 7, Joy is Coming. And for you, those of you that are unaware, this is just where I go back through and play some old beats that I got. Let me know what y'all do with y'all old beats down in the comment section below. How often do you go through your catalog of beats that you made? How do you decide what you're going to release? If you're going to release anything, do you make it for fun? You know what I'm saying? Just let me know how often y'all go back through the catalog. I like to go through after I haven't heard a beat in a long time, after I truly don't really recognize it immediately, and I like to be surprised by what I made, good or bad. Good or bad. I just like the freshness that you can get from just going back through just to see what what was going through your brain. All right, Joy is Coming. Okay, let's let that loop run through one more time. Alright, what's this loop 2? Okay, loop 2 just got some 808s in there. So clearly needs some more added, but nice little start. There might be something I revisit. Number 8, Give Up. Bish. All right. Oh, okay. So we got a song laid out. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. This beat right here is pretty cool to me because I use one of the features that some people I'm sure use, but not as many people use as I do. And I was kind of surprised. I don't see too many people utilizing it. Is changing the BPMs per sequence. So I know y'all ain't got the best view in the world. But right here, I got the first sequence is 83 BPM, then 96, then 102, then 102, then 94, then 69. So let's see what we got. Just give up now. Okay, now I remember. And I love that feeling too when you remember like, ooh, okay, I remember this one now. Just give up now. Don't think I need to go back through and maybe variate the drums a little more. But like I said, my goal was just to really just mess around with changing the BPM per sequence. That is one of the cool things, even though the song mode is pretty outdated. That's one of the cool things I do, like how simple and quick it is to, not even the song mode, just the whole sequencing structure on here. That you can have a global BPM and then independent BPMs per sequence. That's super dope. We just riding. let me plug in my MPC before it die. We're gonna let it keep riding though. See if I could find this power port without having to look over it. There we go. I guess I could turn it, get a little bit better view. Ain't nothing to see really. Ah, that's cool. That's cool. I like that one. So we actually ran into a finished beat. All right. Island Magic. Where I start? Number 6. All right. So we're going to go through track 16. All right. Island Magic. Let's see if we got anything in song mode. Okay. Okay. That's just a cool little loop. Breakdown with a filter or something like that. All right, number 10, Stay One More Day. Oh, a little mini sequence. Hey, hey, hey. I don't remember what the next sequence sound like. Oh, that's riding. That's riding. Okay, I got that looping 4 times. Yep, that's enough to get the point. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. All right, number 11. This time. See what we got going on. Okay. Aggressive 808. Just funny how hard the snare and the bass is compared to the sample on this part. It's so smooth. But they're still rocking. They're still rocking. Then go back. Oh yeah, that's tough. I like the way those two sequences go together. All right, number 12. 12 rainy days in a row. Decent amount loading going on right here. So, see what we got. So, okay. Oh, I remember this. This joint right here, smooth. This smooth. Let me close the door there. My little family wildin'. I think I played a little bass in this too. Nothing crazy. Yep, I remember this now. Yep. Oh yeah, that's cool. That's just vibing. That's just rocking. And that's something I need to get better at, is bass lines. Okay, I think we get the drift. I got 3. I don't know what's different. Oh, okay. I put some keys in there. Hold on. Yep, I definitely use the plug-in on the MPC for that little string in the background, I can tell. curious. That sounds pretty cool. Okay, Strained Roads. Okay, that's what I use as the little background layer there. All right, 13, They All Lie. And I heard to do some extra beats at some point because I do want to get to an even number where I'm doing like 11 through 20. You know what I mean? 21 through 30, etc., etc. Oh, we got a full sequence. What we got here? What's this? They All Lie. All right. Ooh, okay. They jump right there, good to go. Oh yeah, that's done. That's done. Ain't but 2 sequences. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. That was good to go. And these are particularly joys to come across when you got something that's just ain't nothing to do to it. It's good to go. Yes, sir. That part. Yes, sir. You hear that, baby? Got my little one in the background cooling. All right, number 14. Where you want to go? I like that. I like that. That one's solid. All right, let's see what we got here. Where you want to go, buddy? All right, sequence 1. Oh, I like this too. Yeah. Oh, only one sequence? What? Oh yeah, I gotta add some to that. It's trying to right now. Oh yeah, that melts into itself. All right, number 15, you ready to go? I think I might stop here. I might stop right here. All right, let's see what we got. You ready to go? And we're gonna, I can't stop on something that low energy. That ain't bad though. You know what? That might be a good outro. That's only one little sequence too, man. That's just bopping. No samples at all right there. No samples, baby. All right, I'm gonna stop right there. That's real calm, especially after what I just heard. But hey, it's all good though. This has been Q's Listening Session Volume 2. Volume 3, let's see what we got. We getting better. It's getting better as we go. You know what I'm saying? Nothing amazing per se, but you know, we getting vibey. Definitely versus number 1. So hopefully, as you hear throughout the year, it gets better and better. You know what I mean? Because I was, still getting used to the MPC to a degree, and then I start learning my way around. I really start fleshing out some ideas deeper and deeper. A lot of this stuff is just kind of experiment, feeling my way around, etc., etc. Anyway, once again, let me know what you do with your catalog of beats. A lot of producers, man, we make tons and tons of beats. What do you guys do with them? Do you listen to them? What, you know what I'm saying? Put it down in the comment section below. And until next time, it's been your boy Q, hollering at you with another one. Peace.